Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nancy here. And in today's video, we are going to discuss the new recent changes Xe just announced today about the Star Seller program, making it more achievable to earn the badge. So these are great changes that they have made, and they're updating the way they measure reviews, lowering the order minimum, and much more. Now, these changes to the program were based on our feedback. So it's really great to know that they're actually listening to us, and kudos to everyone who filled out the survey. So let's go ahead and talk about these changes because there's quite a few of them. The first change is that they're simplifying the rating criteria. They are updating the criteria to a 4.8 rating average in the 3-month review period so that 4-star ratings count more positively towards your eligibility for Star Seller. So if you do end up with a 4-star rating, this won't jeopardize you getting the Star Seller badge, which is great news. Now, with the additional changes to the reviews, please note that you can now respond directly to any reviews that you receive, no matter the rating. Another change is the streamlining of messages. So in June, they will introduce a new and improved messages experience that will start to combine messages from the same buyer into a single thread, which I think is the best thing they could have done. Not only will this change make it easier to qualify for the Star Seller, it will also make managing all of your messages more streamlined. Another huge change is that they're lowering the order minimum. So starting in July, shops will need to have at least 5 orders, down from the original 10, within the 3-month review period to qualify for the Star Seller. Those orders will still need to be a total of 300 before shipping and taxes, but this is going to make it easier and more achievable, right, for everyone to become a Star Seller. Please note, now you're able to download a zip file that contains 2 CSV files, one for your messages and one for your orders that you have shipped. From there, you will see whether you responded to messages within 24 hours and which orders met the criteria for on-time shipping, which is great for many of us because we were requesting that. And in addition to all of these changes, they have expanded the Star Seller Frequently Asked section to clarify all questions we may have about the Star Seller program. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about the new changes or have any questions.